You know those random girls on social media with insane face cards? Who looks perfect even while yawning, their face snatched and sculptured like their cheekbones pay rent. Yeah, them. Meanwhile, we're over here like, okay, I did the skincare, followed the makeup tutorial, plucked the brows, glossed the lips, curled the lashes, drank the green juice, and even manifested like,
what more do you want from me?
And still, the face is giving cute, not divine. And that's when you catch yourself thinking, maybe they're just God's favorites? But guess what? You are God's favorite too, you just don't know this secret yet. It's something so simple, so underrated, it might just become your new obsession. It's called facial harmony, and it's basically the cheat code to looking snatched, sculpted, and symmetrical naturally. And today, I am serving it hot. Hello, beauties! Welcome to Beauty with Brain. We all have a perfect blend of facial features that gives you your uniqueness. Asymmetrical features may bother us in some way, but of course they can be reshaped. As I was searching and looking for the actual result, I found way too much stuff, which we definitely don't need. I can tell why everyone is struggling to find the best routine since every other video shows us how everything we have been doing till now is wrong. And we tend to get misguided because of all the theory they come with. And let me tell you something, the women in the 90s, whose beauty can't be matched even now, use all these wrong, proven methods. Alright, let's get this started with whether you have asymmetrical features or puffy faces or features that don't pop out, I got you. One of the best and easiest ways to enhance our features is daily face massage. Some habits that will help you maintain it and some habits that need a goodbye. If you can then just follow along with the video right now. Grab some rosehip, jojoba, or squalane oil to get that glide on the face while massaging. You can also use any serum, or even best and affordable. Petroleum jelly, but make really sure to thoroughly remove it after the full face massage, or else it might clog the pores. Prep your skin first by applying the source of face glide we have. We should always start with the neck. First, massage in gentle circular motion above the collarbone for a few seconds. Now take your hands and gently sweep down from your jaw to your collarbone. Think of it like opening the gates for puffiness, toxins, and inflammation to exit. Simple but important step. Now we start the sculpture. Gently massage your neck upwards on each side. The key here is to look on the opposite side upwards. This is the main imposter for a double chin. Directly connects the chin with the neck. Such a lazy muscle as we stretch and massage it starts to do its work and creates a room for that mewing look, for that sharp jawline. Create a hook-like thing with your index finger and thumb using both hands at the same time, gliding it from chin to ears, like you're sculpting a statue of yourself. The one and only exercise for the double chin is looking up and using your thumb gliding opposite and down the neck, and see your chin become sharp as knife. For a pouted lips, soft pinch your lips, left to right or right to left. It's gonna give that pouty lips. For a just got a nose job, index finger, moving upwards in circular motions, then going back down. This will reduce all puffiness, giving a more defined and well-shaped nose. Next, press at this point where the nose and eyebrow join for a few seconds. This will create the depth on that area that will create the starting of defined nose. Now, from the corner of your mouth to ears, gently push and glide. This will lift up the whole face, the area where we have the most sagging. Then glide under the cheekbones from nose to ear. This drains puffiness and gives you that model off-duty look. Now let's depuff those eyes and fake 8 hours sleep. Using your fingers in circular motion, be gentle and apply a bit of pressure on the eyebrows section. Close your eyes while doing so, and next, massage your brows upwards for that lift. Forehead is kinda easy. Upward stroke, but here's a trick. Start the strokes from your brows. You should also feel stretch on the eyebrows. This helps with tension and the "why did I open TikTok for 3 hours" wrinkles. And finally, palm sweep everything down to your neck. We are sending all the lymphatic baggage out. Do this daily and watch your face get sculpted, lifted, and glowed up like you booked a facial every morning. Facial massage will work like magic, but only if you stay consistent and don't sabotage yourself along the way. So, here's a few things to avoid and a few things to do to get the best out of it. Stop sleeping like a croissant on one side. I am not gonna say to just sleep on the back, but if you do, then it's great. Sleeping on the side is not bad, but sleeping on only one side every night squishes your features. Keep taking turns to not put pressure on one side. Same goes for chewing only from one side. This will train only one side of your face. Either try to start chewing from both sides or make them take turns. One arm face rest. This might happen unconscious. Don't rest only one side of your face on the palm for too long. It will give your jack the wrong signal. You know what? Treats both sides of your face like they're your teenage twins. Treat both of them equally with love and care. Neglecting your neck is like putting on lipstick without liner. It just doesn't work. You need to open up the lymphatic drainage so puffiness has somewhere to go. Now the things you should do is stay consistent. Treat your massage like brushing your teeth. Short, sweet, daily, non-negotiable. Morning time is best to do a face massage. Add new techniques into the massage as your muscles are getting used to it. Posture matters as much. You can't just look down on your phone and not expect double chin and fine lines. Stand tall. Fix your posture every time it comes to you. Lastly, others' beauty should encourage us into putting in more effort and trying new stuff, plus we already know not everything we see is true. They don't have what we do, and we don't have what they do. Judging might be the most stupid thing to ourselves, mentally and physically. Make sure your elder self should look back with good old memories, and not the one with just judgments. Enjoy what you have. All right, to make this face massage journey even fun, take a photo of yourself every week and see how much your face has changed. Make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts, and share with your friends and family. Take care.